Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove object from video using Videoleap. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Videoleap application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and you can choose a video you want to remove object from. I'm going to select video from this folder, for example, and I'm going to select this video, and I'm going to add this video to my project. All right, now the video has been added to this project, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove something from our video, we need to overlay this video with the same video. I'm going to go to the mixer, and I'm going to import the same video. Okay, I'm going to choose this one guys. All right, and then we're going to apply mask to this video. But wait, I'm going to zoom in to fit the screen like this, and then we're going to apply mask. You can go to the mask option and choose the shape of the mask. I'm just going to select the rectangle mask. I'm just going to make it smaller like this. Okay, and you can take another part of your video to cover the object. For me guys, I'm going to take for example this part, because I think this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and I'm going to move the mask to cover the object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, you can adjust it. You can go to the adjust, and then you can adjust the exposure and also the brightness. But for the exposure, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to play around with the brightness. All right, and this is the final result guys. As you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my video, and I'm going to play it to show you. And I know guys that this trick maybe will not work to all the type of videos, so you need to keep adjusting. But at least here I show you the basic tutorial on how to remove object from our video using Videoleap. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.